fit that mold who still have a love for the game and a desire to compete. Former Auburn standout Tierney Austin is one of them.
We were playing open gyms twice a week, and we were being very competitive. A lot of us still had the competitive edge and can get up and down the floor. And then we just were like, we should start a team.
We have a lot of talent. There's a lot of talent on the team.
Along with Raymond Young and Austin, some of the Lightning players include former Rock Valley College standout Sierra Morris, former Auburn standout Bree Davis, former East standout Kalia Cruiser, former Jefferson star Crystal Lambert, and former Harlem and UW-Milwaukee standout Michaela Schmelzer. Schmelzer just returned from playing pro soccer in Greece.
How does it feel